In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan front and back on NAPS2. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is open NAPS2 or NAPS2, whatever you want to call it. And then to scan front and back, which is also called duplex, you want to use your scanner's automatic two-sided feeder setting if it is supported, okay? So if it's not supported, if your scanner can only scan one page at once and it cannot scan front and back, then what you're going to have to do is basically manually flip it before scanning again. So you have to go and flip it on the first page, then click on the scan button, and then when that's done, when you get your page, you can just go to your scanner, flip around your paper, click on scan again, and that's going to scan front and back. So that's the manual way of doing it. But of course, if you have like a duplex scanner, which can handle scanning on both sides at once, you can go ahead and either add a new profile to add a new scanner if you haven't done that yet. I do have a separate video teaching you exactly step by step how to do this, so go watch that first in case you are interested. But if you do have a scanner already, you can just click on this edit button and it's going to open up the edit settings. From here, you can see it says paper source, and for me it's glass. Now, sometimes if you have a duplex option, you may want to click on paper source over here, and if there's a two-sided duplex option, it's going to say either duplex, two-sided, or something similar, okay? So if there's an option, just switch it over to that, you can hit OK, and whenever you are done scanning, it's automatically going to scan front and back once you click on the scan button here or up here, top left. That's, of course, one way to do this if you have a duplex scanner which can handle this. But if not, you can also go to the advanced button over here. And as you can see, you have this option over here which says flip back sides of duplex pages. You can also enable this, which is going to kind of help you when you're trying to basically scan duplex pages as well, okay? So that's the best way to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.